Hello, in front of me I've got Throne and Liberty. In this video I'll show you how to change character name display. In the beginning, from the main page of the game, go to settings. Enter gameplay and character. Here in show character name, you can change character name display settings between simplify all and user settings. Next you can change hostile character, guild characters, relationships, name and health mode, friendly player characters, relationships, name and health, misc characters, and NPC. In the end, you can enable or disable show name in acquisition broadcast, show your nameplate, show detailed HP/MP information, and show voice chat nameplates. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.